In this video, I am going to show you how to get free coupon codes and use them on Monopoly Go. 1. Participate in events. The creators often release free coupon codes during special events or promotions. Stay active in the game and participate in these events to increase your chance of receiving free codes. 2. Follow official channels. Keep an eye on Monopoly Go's official social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Developers may share free coupon codes on these platforms to engage their community. 3. Community forums. Engage with the Monopoly Go community on forums and discussions boards. Fellow players often share information about ongoing promotions and ways to obtain free coupon codes. 4. Subscribe to newsletters. If available, subscribe to the Monopoly Go newsletter. Game updates, news, and occasionally free coupon codes might be sent directly to your email. As of now, Monopoly Go does not have a dedicated gift shop or redemption area within the game to enter and redeem free coupon codes. However, the developers are expected to introduce a few new features allowing players to use free codes for exclusive bonuses. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.